Here's the popcorn that Kyla burnt. Let's go ask her if she actually, who did it. But she was the only one here that could have done it. So hopefully she tells us the truth. Kyla, why are you in my bed? Did you burn the popcorn?
What?
Did you burn the popcorn? You didn't?
No.
Who did?
Not unless you.
I didn't burn it. I was working. Kyla, you burned it, didn't you? Tell us the truth. Tell us the truth.
Sorry.
Okay. Well, it's okay. You pushed potato instead of popcorn on there. Is that right?
No.
You had to have because it kept going. It's pretty bad.
No.
You want another one? Right now the microwave's black. Trying to get all the smoke out of the house. We got to wait a little bit. Oh, okay. Oh, Kyla. Okay, I'll see what I can do.